Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free WooCommerce CRM plugin. The name of the plugin is FunnelKit Automation, the all-in-one email marketing platform for WordPress and WooCommerce. This plugin has free as well as premium version. So I'm going to start with the free plugin, and later I'm going to install the pro version of the plugin, and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the premium plugin. This is basically an email marketing automation plugin, and we are going to use the contacts feature of this plugin as the WooCommerce CRM. Let me show you how does this work. I have already installed this plugin on one of the WooCommerce website, and here under contacts you will see list of all the customers on your WooCommerce website. If I click on this customer, you will see the details of this customer: the first name, last name, email address, phone number, country. You can also customize the details of this customer. In the right hand side, you will see the order summary. The average order value of this customer is $205. Total spend by this customer is $410. Let's go to purchase option, and here you will see the details of the previous orders. These are the previous orders by this customer. If I go to automation, you can create email marketing automation, and you can add this customer to any email marketing automation. If you want, you can also send a direct email to this customer. And this tab is about a sales funnel that you can create using the FunnelKit Funnel Builder plugin. If you want, you can also add a note for this customer. So this is how the list of all the customers will be displayed inside your WordPress dashboard. This plugin will be installed on your WordPress website, and there is no limit on contacts. You can add as many contacts you want. You can also create as many email automations as you want. Here in the left hand side, you will see list. If you want, you can create multiple lists, and you can add the customer to a different list. You can also create different tags. If you want to add custom fields for each customer information, you can create custom fields. Audiences and bulk action feature is available in the pro version of the plugin. So I'm going to show you how you can install the free version of this plugin and how you can use the CRM on your WooCommerce website. So let's see how does this work.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website, and now we are going to install a free WooCommerce CRM plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins, and click on add new plugin. And here search for FunnelKit Automation. This is the plugin, FunnelKit Automation, Email Marketing Automation and CRM for WordPress and WooCommerce. This is the free version of the plugin. Click on Install Now and click on Activate. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel, you will see the option FunnelKit Automation, and we are currently on the dashboard of this plugin. In previous videos, I've shown you how you can install the FunnelKit Funnel Builder plugin. This is also one of the best funnel builder plugin for WooCommerce website. If you want to watch the video about the FunnelKit Funnel Builder plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. Now, under FunnelKit Automation, you will see an option Settings. Let's go to Settings, and these are the basic settings of this plugin. Let's go to Email, and these are the email settings. From name is nothing but your business name. I'm going to enter the business name here. Whatever name of your business is, you can enter that name here. From email is again your business email address, reply to email, and below that you will see the footer. In the footer, it is going to display the business name, business address, and an option to unsubscribe. Let's go to cart. These are the basic cart settings. Enable cart tracking. Wait period is 15 minutes. Cool off period is 15 days, and lost cart is 15 days. This plugin is basically an email marketing automation plugin, and we are using the contact feature of this plugin as a CRM. Let's go to the dashboard again, and at the top you will see the option contacts. If you go to contacts, it will show you the list of all the contacts or the customers on this e-commerce website. So this is the feature that you can use as a CRM. Here you will see we have 3 customers on this demo WooCommerce website. If I click on one of the customers, it will display the details of that customer. And when you install this plugin, it is going to display all the previous customers also. So here you will see the detail of this particular customer, the email, first name, last name, phone number, If you want, you can also edit the customer information. You can add gender, company, date of birth, address, tags, and list. In the right hand side, you will see the order summary. The last order was made on 16th of June. Average order value for this customer is $202 and total spend is 1.62k. This is the last updated information. Some of these options are available in the pro version. Let's go to purchases and you will see the details of the products that this customer has purchased on your website. These are the products which are purchased. You will also see the previous orders of this customer. This is one of the previous order. If I scroll down, you will see another order is there. This is the third order. Which product is purchased, you will see that detail also. Insights is not available in the free version. For that, you will need the pro version. Right, let's go to automation. Add this customer to the automation. This feature is not available in the free version. Now let's go to emails. You can send a direct email to this customer. Funnels. I already have the FunnelKit funnel builder installed on this demo WooCommerce website. And here it shows which funnels are created on this WooCommerce website. We have one checkout page funnel. We also have one sales funnel. Right now, let's go to notes. If you want to add a note for this customer, you can add a new note. Let's close this one and let's go to another customer and you will see the details of this customer. And this is the order summary. The average order value for this customer is $110. All right, now let's close it. In the left hand side, you will see the list. If you want to create a new list, you can create a new list. You can use the list to send automated emails. Here you will see create a list. If you click on it, you will see an option to create a new list. You can add a name to the list, description, and click on add. It will create a new list and you can add customer to the list. Let's go to tags. You can also create tags, simplify organization, enhance personalization, and boost your automation efficiency using tags. All right, let's go to fields. And here you will see a list of fields that are available for each contact. Email, first name, last name, phone number, gender, company, date of birth, address. Let's say I do not want this field, gender. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to delete it. And that field will be deleted. And these fields are mandatory. You won't be able to delete these fields. These two fields are custom fields and we can delete these fields. If you want to add new field, you can click on create a field and you can create a new field. You will see different options are there. Right, then we have audiences, which is available for the pro version. Pick from over 60 plus conditions to create audiences that auto updated based on activity. So based on the activity, you can create different types of audiences. Then we have bulk action that is also available for the pro version. So let's go to all contacts, and if I go back to one of the contacts, you will see that the gender field is now deleted. Now I'm going to open the same website in another browser and I'm going to make a purchase. So let's go to other browser. Let's add a product to the cart. Right now, let's add this product to the cart. Let's go to checkout. I already have some customer information and I'm going to proceed to next step. I have created this multi-step checkout using the FunnelKit plugin. Let's now proceed to final step. And I'm going to use cash on delivery and place the order. Now here you will see, here we are going through a sales funnel. After making a purchase, we have another offer here. Let's add this offer. It is going to make the purchase of this offer also. This is basically upsell funnel that I created using FunnelKit plugin. All right, now let's go back to the dashboard. Let's refresh it. And if I go to this customer, if I go to purchase, you will see this is the order that we just placed. Let's close it. Let's go to WooCommerce, go to orders. This is the new order. And let's go to this order. And I'm going to mark this order as completed. Click on update. Now let's go back to FunnelKit automation. Let's go to contacts. This is the new customer. If I go to purchase, you will see that order is completed. You will see the product details here. This is the one-click upsell product that we added to the cart. All right, now let's go back to the website. Let's add a product to the cart. So add this one. Select color variation and add the product to the cart. All right, so now we have one product in the cart. Increase the quantity. Now we have this product in cart. We have not made any purchase. Let's go back to the WordPress dashboard, close this one. And here under FunnelKit Automation, you will see carts option. Click on it and you will see the information here. This is the product that we just added to the cart and status is still pending. We have not purchased the product yet. It is still in the cart, and this option shows that there is a customer who has the products in the cart. You can add these customers to the email marketing automation and you can send a discount coupon so that they can complete their order. Here at the top, you will see automation and you can create different types of automation. If I click on create automation, you will see that there are some pre-designed automations that you can use. Abandoned cart reminder. In the upcoming video, I'll show you how you can recover the abandoned cart using the FunnelKit Automation plugin. Apart from that, you will see some free and pro automations are available. This is the free one: post purchase sequence, purchase anniversary. Then we have review collection email. If I click on this one, you will see the automation sequence. This is the trigger point. Then we have 1 minute delay, and after that you can send an email to the customer. So let's go back. Now I do have the pro version of this plugin and I'm going to install the pro version of the plugin. So let's go to plugins, click on add new plugin. I have it downloaded, so I'm going to upload the pro version and click on install. Click on activate plugin. All right, now let's go to FunnelKit Automation, go to dashboard. All right, and here you will see option activate license. I'm going to enter the license key here and click on activate. All right, so it says license is activated and we will be able to use all the pro features. So let's go to contacts again, and here you will see audiences. You can build the audiences, you can create new types of audiences, and we also have the access to bulk actions. Let's go back to all contacts. This is the new customer. Go to purchase, and here you will see the insights: the device used, the browser, the country, and when was the first click. This is the next order. If I go to automation, now I do have the option to add this customer to one of the automations. Emails that is available, and funnels. Now we have access to pro funnels, and here we can add the notes for this customer. So if you are looking for WooCommerce CRM, you can try using the free version of FunnelKit Automation plugin. This is basically an email marketing automation plugin which you can use as a WooCommerce CRM. If you want more advanced features, you can go for the pro version of this plugin that will cost you only $99.5 per year for a single website. You can also go for a bundle of automations and FunnelKit's Funnel Builder plugin, which will cost you only $249.5 per year, and you can install it on 2 different websites. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.